took part and been beaten. Now our next set of birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And so today they will battle it over who's the best in the basketball game. So with trainer Katha is Blue and with trainer Andre is Azul. So before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue! Go Blue! And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul! Go Azul! Now are you ready for the basketball game? Lagi man energy, why energy? Are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Azul! Oh, cheer mo na Azul guys, let's go Azul! Go, second ball for Blue na! And last ball, Blue wins this game. Let's go Azul! See, working with animals can be a bit challenging. So, wala si Mood si Azul.
Wala na pa na.
And let's do it with a ring race. So, the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pool the fastest is the winner. Now, that is our ring race. Now, are you ready for the second game? Now, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go. Let's go, So, first ring for Blue, another ring for Blue, and then let's go. At the same time. At the same time. What can I say?
Hey, was that trainer Andre? You guys cheated!
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
We didn't cheat, Azul just used her brain.
So how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time I'll need an adult volunteer with a money bill. So who wants to volunteer? Please raise your hand and I'll choose you. I need adult volunteer. So sorry kids, I need adult. Ikaw ma'am, naka-green, a yellow. And please bring with you a money bill ma'am. Any bill, basta paper bill. So 20, 50, or 100. So now as you've noticed, all of our birds in the show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. So hello ma'am, good afternoon. So I want you to stand here and face me. So extend your left arm like this. So I'll be inserting the money. So no matter what happened, ma'am, please do not swing or move your arm, okay? So don't move, ma'am. So now let's call in our money bird, Blue. So now Blue flies over. Grabs the money. What's next, Blue? Now Blue flies back to the table and I guess Blue wants to. There you go. Donate your money. So ma'am, okay lang nimo gi-donate ni Blue imong money. Yes. Since okay man ma'am, how about another round? So 500 na pod ma'am. Wala na. Joke na bitaw to ma'am. It's all for our show. So before we give you your money back, you'll have a photo op with our lovely bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. Alright, smile and pose with our money bird Blue. Okay, so here's your money back, ma'am. Please follow our photographer and he'll give you a printed copy for free. So how about a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird Blue. So now up next, you'll Cebu Park, we have three kinds. So we have our Eclectus Parrot Red, our blue and gold macaw goldie, and our green wing macaw bandit. So you're gonna have a close interaction with these lovely birds. Now just a friendly reminder, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds because they get frightened easily and could bite. So especially sa kids, di lang nato i-touch itong mga birds kay mamaak na sila. So now let's call in Red, Goldie, and Bandit. Trainer Kata is Bandit. This is Red, and my trainer Andre is Goldie. So now let's start. So up first on your right with trainer Kata is our green wing macaw Bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white naked base stripe with small red feathers. So its scientific name is Araphoroterus. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone. Hi. Other side of the bandit, hi. So now up next with trainer Andre is the blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. So its scientific name is Araphoroterus. Now here in Cebu Park, we have three blended macaws. So we have Goldie up there, and si blue one until earlier in the basketball game. So later, dapat may segment si Goldie. So kung si Bandit mahay, si Goldie mag-flex niyang wings. So let's hear it, Goldie. Now lastly with me is our Eclectus Parrot Red. Now Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning we can easily distinguish between a male and a female Eclectus parrot. So red right here is a female parrot because of its bright red colored feathers. While male Eclectus parrots have bright green colored feathers. So basically red means female and green means male. Now Eclectus parrots can live up to 30 years old, while our macaws Goldie and Bandit, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Park. We have our Eclectus Parrot Red, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our green wing macaw Bandit. Now parrots in particular known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's call Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how to put the shakes back to their correct slots. Now even though this is a learned behavior, Bandit has to get the shakes back to their correct slots. And that is possible with his perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, use this skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bandit? Now I have here an object with me, which is a ball, and I will hide this under one of these three silver cups. As you can see, all cups are mga cups. Now, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Middle? Okay, now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Yeah.
So now, do you think Goldie can find our hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find our hidden object. Now, Goldie's searching using her psychic powers. Oh, she's sensing something, and she found it. So how about a round of applause for Goldie? So earlier, we have showed you our different kinds of parrots. Now let me introduce you to our cockatoos. Now there are currently 21 living species across the globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3. So we have our silver-breasted cockatoo Tweety, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now once again, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. Now let's call in Tweety, Nigel, and Snow. So this is Tweety with trainer Kata is Snow, and with trainer Andre is Nigel. Now let's start. So up first with me is our silver-breasted cockatoo Tweety. So these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. So they are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive silver yellow crest. So this is their crest. And a yellowish underside wings. So its scientific name is Cacatuea galerita. Now up next with trainer Andre is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-breasted cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos because of their woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if kanang crest ni Nigel, sa kanya siyang umbrella ang forma. So its scientific name is Cacatuea alba. Now if you were to look at Tweety right here and Nigel right there, so obviously Tweety has a yellow crest, meanwhile Nigel has more white plumage. Now lastly up there with trainer Kata is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of their pinkish colored feathers. So this endemic bird can be found in the Silang archipelago of eastern Indonesia, and they are classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. So its scientific name is Cacatuea molossosis. So in general, cockatoos mainly use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, threatened, or when in mating. Now cockatoos can be loud and can mimic in sound. That is what you call a mimicry behavior. So sila ni ang mga birds na makaskurya. Now lastly, for their lifespan, Tweety right here and Nigel right there, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow right there with Jenny Kata can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for different kinds of cockatoos. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Lookin sa mga bright ugma. Wala, mga bata na lang. Now our next featured bird will leave you baffled and amazed even as trainers. So before we call in our bird, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 20. So first number, unsa man nga number? 18. Kalma lang. So second number, 12. Our equation is 20 plus 12. So we all know the answer, right? But before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So now the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. Now once again, Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. So Snow, your equation is 20 plus 12. Okay, Snow ready? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us. Now Snow picks up number 3. So is the first number correct? Yes, that's Snow. So second number, Snow. And she picks up number 2. So 20 plus 12 is 32. So how about a round of applause for our math wizard, Snow? Now our next set of birds are different from our colorful parrots and cockatoos. So they are called birds of prey, or also known as raptors. Now raptor meaning to seize or to take by force. So they use their strong talons by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors, but here in Cebu Park we have two. So we have our Brahminy kite and our Philippine serpent eagle. So now, before we go in our raptors, I would like to ask everyone to please settle down, especially the kids, and no one shall pass the center stairs. So for the meantime, please stay clear of the center stairs. So wala sa bulingkoy or muagi sa center stairs. And if our bird fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird. Now, are you ready to see our raptors? No. Now, let's call in our Brahminy kite kingdom. Now, Brahminy kites, scientifically known as Haliastor eagles. These knowings can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So in the Philippines, they are known as banog or lawings in the Visayan region. So kung familiar man nga bird, mana siya ang bird na sa show ni Kuya Kim nga matang lawing. Now as you've noticed, our trainers are using a glove that is what we call a falconry bonnet. That is to protect them from their sharp beaks and talons. And that is it for our Brahminy kite kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis holospilus. These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now get your cameras ready as Freddy will fly across the stage. The Philippine serpent eagle can be distinguished from other species of serpent eagle by more well-defined spots on their underparts and wings. And Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. And that is it for our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now just a fun fact, both Freddy and Kingdom were donated by the DNR last ECQ 2019. So they are nourished, trained, and fed. So they are considered as trained birds. Now lastly, for our flying birds, presenting our homing pigeons. So motoy pa na itong homing pigeons, sumugawa sila sa inyong right side. And there you go for our homing pigeons. Now homing pigeons have an innate homing ability, meaning they will go back to its nest and mate. They have a special sense called magnetic reception wherein they can detect the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. So how about a round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons? Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. So who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call in once again our lovely bird that is going to show us how to properly dispose our waste. So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So see if blue can do it, then so can we. Now before I end the show, I would like to invite everyone to come down here on stage and take photos with our lovely birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by our official photographer right over there. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now I would like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made this show possible. We have trainer Jesse up there as our DJ. We have trainer Andre with blue and trainer Katha at the back of the house with our homemade